Are you ready to master Agile project management, even if you're starting from scratch? Manage projects like a pro, even when everything's changing fast. Welcome to Agile Project Management, the course built for beginners and project managers ready to level up. In just a short time, you'll learn how to plan Agile projects from vision to release, how to run scrums, plan sprints, and manage teams, how to handle risk, quality, and real-world uncertainty with confidence. We'll break it all down with simple steps, real examples, and ready-to-use templates you can start using right away. You'll walk away knowing exactly how to run an Agile project and how to lead a high-performing Agile team. Ready to future-proof your skills? Sign up today, jumpstart your Agile career, and start leading projects the smart way. Join us now and take the first step toward your success.